Hey everyone. If you want to change the background of any image for free, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to change background in Photopea step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open Photopea and import your image. Go to File, then Open and select your photo from your computer. Next, select the subject using selection tools. You can use the Magic Wand tool, Lasso tool, or quick selection tool, depending on how complex your image is. Now remove the background. Once your subject is selected, press delete or use a layer mask to separate the subject from the background cleanly. After that, add a new background. You can drag in another image or create a solid color layer and place it behind your subject. Adjust the size and position so everything looks natural. Uh, Use the Move tool and transform controls to properly fit your subject into the new background. To make it look realistic, adjust brightness, contrast, and color balance. Matching lighting between subject and background is the key to a professional result. Finally, export your image by going to File and clicking Export As. Choose PNG or JPG, depending on your needs, and download your final result. So yeah, that's how you change background in Photopea. It's simple, fast, and completely free. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner design tutorials for easy tips and tricks. All right,